Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get bold text in WhatsApp. First of all, just open the WhatsApp application, and after that, I'm just going to select a random chat here. So if you want to bold text, what you want to do is just tap on this normal text. You don't have to download app, you don't need to do anything. You just want to click 1 2 3 here, as you can see in the bottom left on the chat section, and then click on this, and you have to type this first asterisk here like this, and then type whatever you want. So after typing your message, and now you have to again type asterisk here, like you have to add asterisk in the beginning and in the end, and as you can see it's changed. Now it's changed to bold text. You can do the same process every time you want. Now if I send, as you can see, it's in bold. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.